Today, we are going to discuss the topic marketing. Marketing is everywhere. Formally or informally, people and organizations engage in a vast number of activities that we could call marketing. Good marketing has become an increasingly vital ingredient for business success, and marketing profoundly affects our day to day lives. Meaning of marketing. Market is a place where sellers and buyers come together to enter into buying and selling transaction. Marketing is a concept compared to market. It is an organized trading process. It includes sales and various activities for exchange of goods and service. Features of marketing. There are mainly four features of marketing. First one, needs and wants. Second, customer value. Third, creating a market offering. And fourth, exchange mechanism. First, needs and wants. The focus of marketing is on satisfaction of the needs and wants of individuals and organizations. Wants, if unsatisfied, make a person unhappy and uncomfortable. A marketer's job is to identify needs of target customers and develop products and services accordingly. Second, customer value. Buyers take a buying decision based on their perceptions about the value of a product or a service in satisfying their need. The purpose of marketing is to generate customer value at a profit. Third, create a market offering. Market offering refers to a complete offer of a product or service. This means that offer should include features like size, quality, taste, etc. and should state its price, availability, etc. A good marketer offer is one developed after carefully analyzing the needs and preferences of potential buyers. And fourth one is exchange mechanism. Marketing is an activity directed at satisfying human needs and wants through a process of exchange. The process of marketing involves exchange of goods and services for money or for something of value to them. Exchange is referred to as the essence of marketing. Functions of marketing. First function, gathering and analyzing market information. An important function of marketer is to gather and analyze market information. This will help to identify the needs of customers and take valuable decisions for efficient marketing of the product and services. This is highly useful for making an analysis of the available opportunities, threats, as well as strengths and weaknesses of the firm. Second, market planning. Another important activity of a marketer is to develop marketing plans to achieve the marketing objectives of the firm. Third, product designing and development. Product designing and development means making the product attractive to the target customers. Next is standardization and grading. Standardization refers to producing goods of predetermined specifications such as quality, price, packaging, etc., which ensure uniformity and consistency. This will facilitate purchasing by description. Grading is the process of classifying products into different classes on the basis of some characteristics such as quality, size, weight, etc. Next is packaging and labeling. Packaging may be defined as the function of designing and developing the package for a product. Labeling refers to putting identification marks on the package. Next is branding. Branding is the process of giving a name or symbol to a product for identifying and differentiating it from the products of competitors. Next is customer support services. A very important function of a marketing relates to developing customer support services such as after sales services, handling customer complaints, maintenance services, technical services, etc. Next is pricing of product. Price of a product is the amount of money customers will have to pay to obtain a product. Next is promotion. Promotion refers to informing the customers about the firm's products, their features, etc., and persuading them to buy these products. Promotion techniques includes advertising, personal selling, publicity, and sales promotion. Next is physical distribution. Physical distribution involves planning, implementing, and controlling the physical flow of materials and final goods from point of origin to point of use to meet customer requirements at a profit. Next is transportation. Transportation involves physical movement of goods from one place to the other. Last one is storage or warehousing. Usually, there will be a time gap between production or procurement of goods and their sale or use. So, in order to maintain smooth flow of goods in the market, there arises the need for proper storage, which helps in avoiding unnecessary delays in delivery. The elements of marketing mix. According to Philip Kotler, marketing mix is a set of marketing tools that the firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market. The tools or variables or elements of marketing mix have been classified into four categories, popularly called the 4Ps of marketing. That is product, price, place, and promotion. First is product. Product means goods or services or anything of value which is offered for sale in the market. The important product decisions include decision made relating to features, quality, packaging, labeling, and branding of the products. Second is price. Price is the amount of money customers should pay to obtain the product. It is the exchange value of a product in terms of money. The important decisions related to price are discounts, pricing objectives, pricing strategies, etc. Third one is promotion. The task of communicating product message to the people and persuading them to buy the product is termed as promotion. It includes advertising, personal selling, publicity, and sales promotion. And last one is place. Place or physical distribution consists of activities that make a firm's product available to target customers. It involves two broad functions, that is, physical distribution and channels of distribution.